Working in CAM machining and dealing with legacy Mastercam MC part files. These are CAD design files for CNC programming. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these Mastercam part files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value MC file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. An MC file is a project created by Mastercam, a leading CAD software suite used for designing parts and programming manufacturing processes, particularly for CNC machining. Engineers and machinists use these files to store 2D, 3D geometry, toolpaths, and machining parameters for a specific component. The MC format is a proprietary binary file designed to encapsulate a wide array of complex data, from NURBS surfaces and solid models to multi-axis toolpath information. This integrated structure ensures all aspects of the manufacturing job are stored in a single cohesive file for data integrity and portability. The essential opener for the MC structure is Mastercam developed by CNC Software, LLC. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows may not load textures or geometry, so full viewing must be done in supported 3D software. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the MC file and hit Open with. Test Mastercam if available. If not, choose a different app. The issue is often a slight incompatibility. If your MC file isn't cooperating, don't worry. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific MC error occurs on your system. First, opening in Mastercam. Launch Mastercam and use File then Open to load the MC file. The application displays the part geometry with all machining operations and toolpaths. Modify operations regenerate toolpaths or post-process to G-code for specific CNC machine controllers. Older MC files may prompt for format conversion to current MCAM extension. Next, converting to MCAM. Open Legacy. MC files in Mastercam and save as MCAM the current format extension. Mastercam handles version conversion, preserving geometry and operations. Maintain original MC file backups before conversion to enable rollback if conversion issues occur. The MCAM format includes improved data structure supporting newer Mastercam features and capabilities. Finally, exporting geometry. Export part geometry from Mastercam to neutral CAD formats like Step IGES or Parasolid for use in other CAD systems. Use File then Save. As with appropriate format selection, note that toolpath and machining operations do not transfer to neutral formats, since these are Mastercam-specific data requiring CAM software for proper interpretation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.